So now let's go into our Keep It a Buck segment for today. So our Keep It a Buck segment for today, we're going to be talking about knowing and protecting your circle, okay? Because if you got a circle of friends, family, or community, and y'all all pretty much in the same boat, you have to make sure that everybody's rowing in the same direction. And there's nobody poking holes in your boat while y'all trying to get somewhere. And how does that relate to life and trading, right? First of all, you can't have no squares in your circle, okay? There is no such thing as balance. You either are getting closer to your goal or further away from your goal. You're either being charged up by somebody or you're being drained by somebody. That is literally real life. That's really energy, and that's literally physics, okay? So when you have people that are close to you, you have to be able to protect your energy, and you can't have energy drainers, money drainers, mindset drainers around you, okay? So I want you to take some time and evaluate who's all in your circle and how much time, energy, and effort and resources you give them, and how they're either helping you get close to your goal or they're literally keeping you from getting to your goals, okay? So watch your circle, protect your circle, and be around like-minded individuals who are trying to go in the same places that you are going or have been there and can help you get up, right? This is why the Discord community that we have for the Money Matrix is a very powerful place, because most of the people watching this show are the people in their group, are the ones that want to talk about money, want to talk about investing, want to talk about building wealth. And not everybody talks about that, likes to talk about that, open to talking about that, or even want to talk about that, right? So you need to be able to be around people who are like-minded, that are encouraging you, that are supporting you where you are in your journey and helping you get to where you want to go, because there is no such thing as standing still, okay? You're getting closer to your dreams or you're getting further with every thought, with every word, and with every action, okay? Protect your circle, no squares in the circle, and make sure that everybody is rowing in the same direction and going towards similar common goals. It doesn't have to be cookie cutter and exactly the same, but we got to be talking about building wealth. We got to be talking about generational wealth. We got to be talking about providing for our kids. We got to be talking about diversifying our portfolio. We got to be talking about real life things that are going to impact us today and set us up for wins in the future, okay? So that is my Keeping in the Buck segment for today.